So let's apply this quickly and we'll show you how nice it stacks up. And the cool thing about this is you don't actually have to cut it down because it is stacking up, not down, that you don't actually have to cut it at all, and the foam is compressible. So that is a big benefit, because when you push the door trim on, you can actually crush our foam and it will push down nice and neat, and it'll actually compress against the door trim. So it's actually going to seal perfectly every time. So as you can see here, there you go. So quick and easy, and you can just press it down and there you go. So that's actually going to be how it will sit on your speaker. So it looks really, really nice. So if you see around the outside edge, it's just sitting in the speaker face, and it varies in sizes. You've got 6.5 inch speakers, 6 inch, and different ones like this mid-bass. So this one here is about 3.5 or 4 inch. So we can continue on with the ring kit and go to the smaller sizes. So we're going to measure this up. So we can go around the outside here if we wanted to do that, or we could go a little bit smaller and just do the face of the speaker. So I'm probably going to use a smaller one here. Now if you're changing the aftermarket speakers, you might actually not use another 3 inch. Like, this is an unusual car. This is the Subaru Legacy with the Macintosh stereo. So it actually had like a 12 speaker system, but it's a really good setup. But you can still change it. So there you go, there's the 3 inch, 3.5, whatever that is. And then we have the tweeter up here. All right, so we're gonna do that last one, a little bit of double-sided tape on that one. This one's gonna sit around the outside, and that's gonna actually emulate the factory speaker as well. So this car actually has another tweeter up here. It's got 4-inch door, it's a super tweeter. We're actually not gonna do that one today, just using this for example. But see, there's your 3 speakers done all in the one kit. And if you compare that to the factory one, see, we've copied what they've done there. So you can see the foam around the edge of that tweeter, where there initially would have been foam here, but it's fallen off, and here also. Now, this has this vapor lining. This is a vapor lining for waterproofing inside the door panel. So you could actually use our SoundSkins Pro to do that, but we'll show you in a different video. Today we're just focusing on how you would use these rings.